In this way this breaker uh, is distributing their auxiliaries to the input of the PLC. Like why they have used this, because they want to know that which breaker is getting tripped. What they have done, they have used auxiliary on the breaker, and from the auxiliary they are they are forwarding supply to the PLC input. So if the breaker is tripped or open, then this NC contact become NO, and it will not provide any supply to the PLC input card. So in the logic, they have defined that whenever there is no supply, then show the breaker is tripped. So in this way the whole distribution system is working. I want to tell you some important referencing information from here. Like you can see here, there is written OL18. This is a tag of the overload, which you will find on the which you will find physically on the panel. As I have told you before in my first part, that the internal layout is very important for you. Like if I search OL18, now it will show you how many times the OL18 is used. So as you can see here, the 6 times OL18 is used. So I am moving backward. So from the internal layout, it is showing me from where actually OL6 is located. So this layout is very important while working on the big system or while working on new systems. So in this way you can easily find OL18. Now coming back to my topic. So what I wanted to tell you from this is this little number 55.2. What is this? As you can see here, this is the page number 11. Then what is 55.2 here? As you know that there are two type of supplies in the panel. One is control supply and one is power supply. Let's see what 55.2 is showing. If I click on 55.2, then it move me to the 55.2 from where it is coming. What is 55.2? Like I am clicking here. So what is 55.2? Let's find out. So when I click on this symbol, this overload symbol, then it moved me to the page 55.2. like this. I have clicked it, and you can see here this is the page number 55, and point 2 is the section. This section. Here you can see Q18, which is breaker, but we were working on the OL18. We were working on the OL18. As you can see here, this is OL18. This is the OL18, and this is the auxiliary point which we have seen on page number 11. This is the overload. This is the overload of the contactor of the motor and this is the contact. So this is actually the thermal overload. That is why it is inserted on the line, like on the contactor the supply is dropping, and then it is going to the overload, and from the overload it is moving forward. So by the overload they have used some auxiliary point, so that they can get the control supply, or they can move control supply according to their need, because you cannot directly insert 415 volt on the PLC input. So again I want to move to page number 7, by where we have moved. So this is very important. You can trace it. You can trace by this number 55.2, from where we will find some hint about this overload system, from where I can find some hint about the Q19 breaker. This is 52.5. if I click it now, this is 52.5. here it is. Here you can see the auxiliary. This is also coming from the page number 11. So in this way you can read the drawing. Thank you.